Today we're going to build this homemade blender using recycled materials. As you can see, it's worked perfectly and making it is very easy. Let's start with the materials. The electronics are simple. We only need this 6-volt motor, which you can take from old toys or broken devices you have at home. We'll build this base out of cardboard. To do this, we'll draw some guidelines, then cut out a piece and glue them together using instant glue or hot silicone. We'll add a power switch and also this small board with a Type-C connector, so our blender can run using any USB cable. Next, we'll install the motor as shown. Now we'll start making the connection, and as you can see, it's quite simple since there are only two wires, one positive and one negative. First, connect them to the Type-C board at the pins marked with plus and minus. Then connect the positive wire to the switch and from there to the motor. The negative wire goes directly from the Type-C board to the motor's negative terminal. The connections are ready. Now we'll take a soda can and cut out some pieces to make a blade from our awesome homemade blender. This is incredible. We finished. Let's test it by first turning on using our phone as the power source, and then we'll do a real test by making a delicious drink. And that's it. We've built a fully functional homemade blender using simple and recycled materials. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our next DIY creation. See you in the next one.